There are currently quite some challenges in the field of lithium-ion battery production, especially when it comes to anode and cathode. We need to ramp up fast, but we have processes that are pretty complex and that create a lot of waste. That's a big problem, but there are possibilities to solve this. One possibility could be simulation, but the only way to understand the process is to understand the material in combination with the machine. So in the end, we need a multi-physical simulation to be able to, encounter these challenges. One possibility that we have found that absolutely perfectly fits our needs is the MSIM, the multi-simulation or multi-physical simulation, where we can simulate the material itself as well as the machine in one tool, and in the end we can ramp up faster, we have a better quality, and we have less waste when it comes up to starting up the lines. So we have three major benefits for our customers: faster ramp up time, a validated performance statement for the machine, and a continuous optimization loop by combining the virtual digital twin and the simulation with the real machine and optimizing the output.